So what oils are you cooking with right now? Do you know? Well, it's extremely important to know. It might look healthy, but it could be silently damaging your heart, hormones, and brain. So let's break it down, the best and worst cooking oil. Cooking oils come from seeds, fruits, or nuts, but how they are processed makes all the difference. So you have got monounsaturated fats like olive and avocado, which are heart friendly. The polyunsaturated fats like canola and soybeans easily oxidized when overheated. Saturated fats like coconut oil and ghee, controversial but stable at high heat. And then there are refined seed oils, often chemically extracted and stripped of nutrients. So definitely avoid those. Each oil has a smoke point, the temperature where it starts to break down. Avocado oil has high smoke point, great for frying. Extra virgin olive oil, best for sauteing or drizzling, not deep frying. Butter and ghee, tasty but medium heat only. Overheating oils can create toxic byproduct. Did you know that? It's extremely important. So match your oil to your cooking style. Big myth is all vegetable oils are healthy. Truth. Highly refined oils like corn, soy, and canola can promote inflammation when overused. So, top 3 healthiest picks will be cold pressed extra virgin olive oil, unrefined avocado oil, small amount of ghee or coconut oil. Your brain, hormones, and metabolism need healthy fat. Bottom line, ditch the cheap seed oils. Use high quality oils that match your heat level. Store them in cool, dark places and check that label for unnecessary additives.
Please don't forget to like, comment, share, and subscribe.